he likes slower speeds. So weird. Driving it like you stole it.
Oh, like 700 miles on it already.
I am dying to see that go down the road.
You don't owe me nothing.
Yes, I do.
I like it, man.
It's getting there.
Oh, dude, I love this color.
When Earl told me you were driving that thing all over the place, I was tickled to death.
That's why we build them, man.
Yeah.
That's it. I can't wait. So many of these come out so nice.
Don't worry, when you're there, we're following you around.
Yeah.
I'm not going to have it around these adventures.
What do you think, Dan?
I'm thinking it looking good.
Well, I think this thing has gone leaps and bounds past couple weeks.
Oh yeah, shit.
I thought Colorado like.
Yeah.
Not like everybody else though. Everybody's like, all right, it's time to put this together. Let's go. But once the glass goes in, that's when it starts.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Earl, I brought all the gaskets.
Oh, thank you.
So
Very good.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
All right, Dan, thank you for helping us.
I appreciate it.
Anytime. All right, be in touch with you in the next day to get the rear glass.
I'll have to bring stuff back up.
Yep, definitely. Thank you. Lee,
Yeah.
do you want a water?
No, thank you.
Why not?
Because I got something to drink already.
You're melting.
I am. I've been melting.
Well, do you want a water?
No, I've got something to drink right now. I already have it.
Well, where is it?
It's right behind you. Don't do it. Don't kill me, God damn it.
You're melting.
I am.
Lee, do you want a water?
No.
I'll get you a water, for crying out loud. It's just a walk to the fridge.
See, if I drink water, I'm like a wicked witch. I will melt.
You're already melting.
What a world. What a world.
Water world.
No, I don't drink my own pee. That's gross. Kevin Costner, he's the guy who can do that shit.
Ah.
No, I can't. I can't get the wet look if I'm drinking water.
Does it look like my junk is going to make it?
Needs more water.
It needs more water. I'm getting you a water.
No, that's good. It's good
Lee,
to
you
do.
need a water.
Okay, I'll have a water.
All right. Take a moment.
You know, in New Jersey, they say wooger.
Here. Have a water, please.
Have a water.
There you go. All right. Lee, where we at, buddy? Just give me a quick rundown.
Right now, I just got done wet sanding down with this wonderful little system that we got. Sanding down the fender to knock the orange peel down a little bit, get some of the trash gone. Hit her with a little 1500, went over it with some 2000. Now I have just got done buffing her with the heavy stuff, and now I'm gonna polish her up, see what we got, and go back and forth and nitpick. And then once this bad boy is completely done and we're ready to ship it, we will do a final buff on it and a seal, and this thing will be breathtaking for a very long time. This is kind of the rough draft at the moment.
Yeah.
What we're gonna do is try and match up the orange peel from panel to panel and keep everything.
Yeah, trying to get this panel to this panel to this panel.
Object of the game is to make this look like it was painted all at one time.
Yeah, I panel paint.
Yeah. And due to the fact that things get painted at different times, the different orange peels and the different ways that they're laid out and all that wonderful jazz, we want the bottom to be consistent with the top, and the top to be consistent with the back, and the back to be consistent with the bottom, and all the way around.
Gotcha. All right, I'm gonna let you be. I'm gonna let you do your Squirty and your little Buffy.
Yeah.
Vampire Slayer.
She's getting there.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
You figure that's before the polish.
Yeah.
Right there, just wool padded and ground down and all that.
Yeah, not too shabby.
Should be pretty.
Yeah, I gotta get the back window in. I sorted the clips out. I got 8 on the top, 10 on the bottom, 4 on the side, and I am not sure if I want to add 2 more because it comes in the kit as they want to make you run 22. I'll see what I want to do, and then I'll throw that bad boy in. Then we got to backfill it. You know what we got to do today? I got to backfill these windows.
Remember when you backfilled the windshield, you had one hell of a time.
Oh, dude, I'm not a fan of that.
I thought that windshield was going to pop when you pushed it.
Yeah.
That back window new glass?
Yep.
I'd almost say try run it first.
Well, I'm going to dry it in, and then I'll backfill it. But I'll show you how I got to do it. See, what we got to do here is we got to pull this back and then fill that. Otherwise, when you're driving, it'll push in up in there, and it'll wick right through the windshield into the car, and we don't want that. So that's got to be done. That's got to be done.
That makes for one scary piece of glass putting it in, though.
Well, yep.
That's all right. Once you get it bent at a 90-degree angle, it slides right in.
Yep.
Piece of cake.
There's Lee.
I'm drinking water.
About time he's drinking water. The poor man is just melting. It's 103 in the shop today, and I have the fan running. It doesn't matter. It just gets hot. It's the summer in Florida. What does anybody expect in Florida, for crying out loud? But at least we don't get snow.
The beer sales are up, though. No, that's important.
Okay. What's with the beer sales?
Beer sales are up.
I don't drink.
I do. I drink
Okay.
enough for the both of us.
He drinks for me. I don't drink. But it's good to see you getting the water.